Chelsea striker Olivier Giroud could lose his driving license after admitting speeding in his Bentley at 10 miles per Stunde over the limit, his fourth offence in less than a year. The 32-year-old, who lifted the World Cup for France last year, was clocked at 60 miles per Stunde in a 50 miles per Stunde zone on the North Circular in Willesden, northwest London, in May. The former Arsenal star has pleaded guilty, Willesden Magistrates Court heard today. Prosecutor Alison Larkin said he has already amassed 9 points since last February with 3 separate offences in 2018. Chairing Magistrate Nigel McNeil said law dictates 3 more points must be added to his licence, taking him to the 12-point limit. This offence carries 3 penalty points and in likelihood 3 penalty points will be imposed, he said. But, he added, this is up to the discretion of the magistrates who will hear the matter on February 19 and will make a decision on whether to disqualify Giroud from driving. The star's 2016 Bentley was caught on a speed camera near the junction with Ludham Grove at about 3:40 p.m. on May 2. The prosecutor said Giroud named himself as the driver and has also totted up 9 additional points for 3 other speeding offences, on February 18, March 15 and November 6. The court was told he entered a guilty plea to the May offence through his lawyer in November but declined to attend for proceedings. On Monday, a lawyer did not appear on his behalf and the case was adjourned so Giroud could be alerted to the hearing in a letter to his new address in Battersea Park, southwest London.